Hello. Let's upgrade your kitchen and install Gerber's Pilsen Kitchen Faucet. We'll go step by step to get your new faucet up and running. Before you begin, there are a few important steps. Make sure your sink setup is compatible with the faucet. This faucet is designed to fit both 1-hole and 3-hole configurations. And if you choose to install the soap dispenser, ensure that you have the necessary extra hole for that as well. Next, gather the required tools for the installation. You'll need groove joint pliers, a Phillips head screwdriver, an adjustable wrench, and silicone sealant, as well as a few other supplies such as a flashlight, a bucket, a rag, gloves, and protective eyewear. Inside the box, you'll find a cover plate, a soap dispenser, a rubber washer, a metal washer, a clamp ring, a grip lock weight, and your Pilsen kitchen faucet with pre-installed supply lines and a spray hose. Ensure your hot and cold water supply is shut off. Your old faucet has been removed, and your sink's countertop is clear of debris. Begin by feeding the supply lines through the hole in your sink or counter. If you're using the cover plate, feed the supply lines through the plate's holes before feeding them through the hole in the counter or sink. Then apply a thin line of silicone sealant around the edge of the plate and wipe away excess promptly before it dries. Under the sink, thread the lines through the rubber washer, metal washer, and clamp ring. Then, hand tighten the clamp ring to secure everything. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to secure the clamp ring. Next, remove the plastic seal from the outlet port and discard. Snap the spray hose onto the outlet port until you hear a click. Give it a gentle tug to make sure it's locked in. Attach the grip lock weight above the tag with the up label facing up. Rotate the sliding clip to lock the position. Pull down the spray head and release. The spray head should retract smoothly and completely. If the retraction needs improvement, adjust the position of the grip lock weight accordingly to ensure it avoids plumbing or other obstructions under the sink. From here, you'll connect the supply lines. Hand tighten the cold line and hot line to their valves. The hot line is color-coded red, and the cold line is blue. Without over-tightening, give them a snug twist with a wrench. Slowly turn on the water supply. Check for leaks under the sink. Unscrew the spray head and remove the seal, and set aside for later. Hold the spray hose to prevent it from retracting into the spout. Run water for about 1 minute to flush out any debris. Ensure the handle is between hot and cold. Reinsert the seal, and hand tighten the spray head. Turn the faucet back on to make sure everything's flowing without any leaks. If you would like to install the soap dispenser, uninstall the bottle, metal washer, rubber washer, and the nut. Insert the sleeve through the countertop. Then go underneath and secure it with the rubber washer and the nut. Screw the bottle into place and fill with your favorite dish soap to the maximum fill line. Pop the pump nozzle in, and your soap dispenser is ready to use. The installation is complete. You've successfully installed your Gerber Pilsen Kitchen Faucet. If you have any questions, Gerber's dedicated customer care team is ready to help. Please visit gerber-us.com/support to view contact information and hours of service. Your tried and true Gerber faucet is ready to use. Thanks for tapping into Gerber.